Hi guys! Isa sa mga problem na madalas talagang lumalabas sa board exam in transport processes in chemical engineering is yung problem na ito. So let me read the problem first para alam natin kung paano natin i-approach yung ating solution. So we have a 4-inch Schedule 40 steel pipes are to be used to transport high pressure steam. The pipe joints are to be butt welded. The safe working fiber stress for butt-welded pipes is 457.1 kg per square centimeters. Calculate the maximum steam pressure in kg per centimeter squared the pipes can handle. So this is actually an easy problem. Madali lang siyang sagutan. But before we solve this, mas maganda kung mapag-usapan muna natin kung ano ba itong tinatawag nating schedule number sa mga steel pipes. So, pag-usapan muna natin kung ano ba yung main function ng pipes. So, the main function of pipes is to carry fluid under pressure, in which yung fluid natin can be a liquid, gas, fluidized solid, slurry, mixed phase products, or anything na katulad nito. And our pressure can be internal, external, or both. But we need to take note that in order to sustain the fluid pressure, the pipe has to be strong enough to perform its intended duty without failure. So, obviously, for pipes containing pressurized fluid, the wall thickness and by implication, the pipe strength is the most important parameter. Okay, so that means in sizing our pipes, napakalaking factor yung thickness ng ating pipe. Now, the pipe schedule describes the pipe wall thickness. With an increase in pipe schedule number, the pipe thickness also increases. So, merong relationship yung schedule number ng pipe sa kanyang thickness. So, wall thickness of pipe is expressed by schedule or schedule numbers, referred to as pipe schedule or piping schedules. Okay, so let us now define ano ba tong tinatawag nating pipe schedule number. So, the pipe schedule or pipe schedule number of a pipe is a dimensionless number that is related to pipe wall thickness. So, katulad ng binanggit natin kanina, there is a relationship between this pipe schedule number and the thickness of the pipe. The piping schedule number for a specific pipe size is a pipe thickness designator for that pipe size. Okay, and in order to have a clear vision about this one, let us have a look at this table. So, kapag nagsosolve tayo ng problems na merong given about schedule numbers ng pipe, this table will be very useful. And this was taken from the 8th edition ng ating Paris Chemical Engineering Handbook. But actually, yung mga data na ito is galing din sa Mechanical Engineering Standards. No? Mamaya ipapakita natin siya. So, dito makikita ninyo, given yung nominal pipe size natin, ito yung schedule numbers natin sa column na to. And then from this, it means na kapag alam natin yung schedule number natin, makukuha na natin kung ano yung mga outside diameter niya, wall thickness, inside diameter, and other parameters. Okay, but in order to have a good example, let us consider this one. Okay, so let us say we have a nominal pipe size of 1 inch. Okay, so kunin natin tong part na to, then we will try to have an example. Okay, so ito na yung part na yon na kinuha natin. Okay, so as you can see sa unang column natin, meron tayo ditong nominal pipe size. So ano ba yung tinatawag nating nominal pipe size? So this will be actually yung mga makikita ninyo sa mga problems na usually given to. Aside from the schedule number na ibibigay sa atin for additional information. So the size of all pipes is identified by the nominal pipe size. It is based in a standardized outside diameter. This outside diameter was originally selected so that pipe with a standard outside diameter and having a wall thickness that was typical of the period would have an inside diameter ID approximately equal to the nominal size. Okay, so it means that usually when we are identifying pipes, ang pinaka ginagamit natin is yung nominal pipe size natin, no, to identify yung particular pipes na gagamitin natin. And for our schedule number, ito yon sa column na to. Now, you can see several letters here na nasa tabi ng ating mga numbers. So, in order to understand that, kailangan basahin nyo yung nasa footnote ng ating table. So, ito yung nasa footnote ng table natin, which it says that 5S, 10S, 40S, and 80S, ito yung mga nakikita natin dito. It was extracted from stainless steel pipe, ASME B36.19M-1985. So, ito yung binabanggit ko kanina, no? So, it was actually taken from mechanical engineering references, no? So, ST stands for the standard wall, XS is extra strong wall, and XS means double extra strong wall, and the schedules 10 through 160 are extracted from welded and seamless rough steel pipe, no? From ASME B36.10M-1996. Okay, so now let us say that we have a 1-inch schedule 40 pipe. Okay, so ito yung given natin, no? So our nominal pipe size is 1 inch, katulad ng given natin dito sa table natin. Now, we have a schedule 40 pipe. So that means we have, our concern will be this line right here. So we have schedule 40 pipe. Okay, so referring from this given, meron tayong 1 inch schedule 40 pipe. So our nominal pipe size is 1 inch. So therefore, we have our outside diameter which is 1.315 inches. Okay, so binigay sa atin yung nominal size ng ating pipe. So based from that, nakuha natin yung outside diameter ng ating pipe which is 1.315 inches. Okay, so ngayon, paano naman natin malalaman kung ano yung inside diameter and wall thickness niya? So dito na magiging useful yung ating schedule number. So we have schedule number 40. So that means our inside diameter is 1.049 inches. Okay, so dito natin yung nakuha dito sa table natin. And that means our thickness, itong thickness ng ating pipe is 0.133 inches. Okay, so this is how we can get yung inside diameter or wall thickness ng ating pipe given yung nominal pipe size and the schedule number ng ating pipe. So, our question now is how to calculate the pipe schedule. So, ito na yung gagamitin nating formula or equation in order to solve yung problem na pinakita natin kanina. The schedule numbers for pipe size or wall thickness combinations are calculated or approximated to get a uniform relationship equal to 1,000 times the ratio of the design pressure and the allowable stress. The expression contained in the modified Barlow formula for pipe wall thickness. So, the pipe schedule is abbreviated as SCH. So, ito yung ating formula to calculate the pipe schedule number natin, ano? So, the schedule number is equal to 1,000 times P over S, where our P is the internal service pressure of the pipe and S is the ultimate stress of pipe material. Alright, so yan yung gagamitin nating formula. Hindi siya mahirap, no? Madali lang siyang tandaan. Kaya kapag na-encounter natin yung problem na yan sa ating board exam, madali na natin siyang masasagutan. Okay, so going back to this problem, let us now try to solve it. Okay, so we will have our solution down here. So, katulad nung kaninang given natin, no, yung modified Barlow equation. So, we have our schedule number, which is equal to P over S times 1,000. Okay, so ano ba yung mga given natin dito? We know the schedule number of our pipe. Okay, so we know that our schedule number is 40. Okay, and then given sa atin yung ating safe working fiber stress. So that means our S, which is equal to 457.1 kilogram per centimeter squared. So, ang pinahanap sa atin is yung maximum steam pressure in kilogram per centimeter squared. So, ito yung ating required. Okay? So, that means, ang kailangan nating makuha is yung P, which is, we have our P, which is times our schedule number, which is 40. Okay? So, katulad nung nabanggit natin kanina, our schedule number is a dimensionless number, no? So, we have 40 times our stress, which is 457.1 kilogram per square centimeter, and we will be dividing this to 1,000. Okay, so now we can calculate for the value of P. So we have 40 times 457.1 and divided by 1,000. So that means we have 18.284 kilogram per centimeter squared. Okay, so this is our final answer para sa problem natin na to.